I was not going to make this video, but I've had so many requests to share how I start my day, and it all begins with the gelatin trick. Honestly, it's been a total game changer for my morning routine. I wake up feeling refreshed, not bloated, and ready to tackle the day. The gelatin trick is all about incorporating a simple daily ritual into your morning habit, using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen to help your body digest and absorb nutrients more efficiently. As someone who's struggled with sluggish mornings, I can attest that the gelatin trick has made a huge difference. By making it a part of my daily habit, I've noticed I have more energy and my skin looks clearer. My friend, who's also started doing the gelatin trick, reports similar benefits. She says it's helped her drop that heavy feeling after breakfast. It's amazing how such a small change can add up to make a big impact on our overall well-being. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your own morning routine, check out the link in my description below for a detailed breakdown. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment where we can chat more about it.